Owned by the huge Korean industrial conglomerate Hanwha, Hanwha Aviation is really making a name for itself in the MRO and the engine leasing space. Now Jeff, what are you building here at Hanwha Aviation?
We are building a vertically integrated leasing platform. And by vertical integration, I mean we have our leasing portfolio and we're growing our leasing portfolio, and at the same time growing our MRO, internal MRO capability, and our USM program. The entire strategy is around controlling and managing the entire life cycle of an engine through the leasing within the leasing portfolio.
Talk a bit about the engine leasing side. What are you doing there and what are your plans in the next 1 to 2 years?
Growing the portfolio, the vertical integrated strategy requires a portfolio of scale to take advantage of the synergies. So we're focused on narrow body engines, CFM56, V2500, and we've started to build a position in the market in the LEAP and the GTF. We actually just closed on our first GTF engine a couple of days ago, and by having a LEAP and having GTF engines in our portfolio today, positions us well for the future, and it gives us access to the manuals, to the IP, so we can start to understand those platforms, so from a technical perspective, but also from the economic standpoint of having those asset types within the platform. To be in the engine leasing business long term, you're going to have LEAPs and GTFs. They will be a part of our story, so we're building that position now. But our strategy to date has been predominantly focused around CFM56 engines.
What is the sort of size of your portfolio, Jeff? Just give us a view on that.
So our portfolio now is in the low 50s. We've got V2500, a couple of engines, the 3 LEAPs, we have a GTF, and the rest is CFM56, 7B and 5B.
And I understand that you're going to be looking to move into the aircraft leasing space too. Could you tell us about that?
Yeah, to grow an engine portfolio of scale, you really have to get into the aircraft leasing for mid-life aircraft. Mid-life to end-of-life aircraft eventually turns into engines. So long-term, we can, the economics are advantageous with the vertical integrated platform, and aircraft leasing will be a part of our story.
And you're on you're negotiating deals at the moment, or are you already in it?
For aircraft, we're looking at opportunities right now, and I do have a target to acquire our first aircraft this year.
Fantastic. Now, you've got the whole vertical integration. MRO is a critical part. Tell us what you're building there as well, Jeff.
Well, that's really why we're here. We're building a full service all the way from advanced hospital visits to engine performance restoration shop in Florida, but also growing our MRO and USM footprint globally. So we are in advanced discussions on joint ventures in different regions around the world to increase our MRO footprint. But it's all about having the ability to take an unserviceable engine, bring it into our own MRO, and create the optionality around that asset. So, we have an unserviceable engine. Do we do a targeted repair on that engine, spend some money to generate the opportunity for massive cash flows with green time and redeploy that into a lease? Or do we bring that engine in and break it into modules and reuse some of those modules in other engines in the portfolio? Or do we just disassemble the engine and then put the engine through our USM program?
You've got a lot of work to do, but you're clearly very busy, Jeff. We wish you a lot of luck with it. We look forward to speaking with you as you progress through this journey.
Thank you, and have a great show. This is going to be a great week.